everyone, welcome back to another video content in my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to be updated on my next video upload. On today's video, I'm going to cook a Korean crispy chicken. I'm going to do this one step by step with an instruction so it will be easier for you. Follow the instructions on how to cook a crispy Korean chicken. So without further ado, let's do it. Chicken wings. We have the 2 cloves of garlic, sesame seed, soy sauce and vinegar. This is optional. Mustard, corn flour, honey. For complete detailed and for all the complete ingredients, you may go to the description. I will leave it there, so you will be guided accordingly. After you wash all the chicken wings, now it's time to cut it into half. Do this for the rest of the chicken wings. After you cut, now let's place it into a bowl. And this time we are going to add a salt and a pepper. Make sure to mix it well using your both hands so the pepper and the salt will soak in. Now let's pour a corn into a separate bowl. And start coating the chicken wings individually. Make sure you coat it evenly, top and bottom. Do the same procedure till the last piece of the chicken wings. This time, I will fry all the chicken wings into the pan from medium to high heat for about 12 minutes. 6 minutes each sides. Please note that this may vary on your fire at your stove. So this is just a reference, and you can see the texture on this video. It's just for a guidelines and a reference. I'm done with the first frying of all the chicken wings, and the magic begins here. This is the second time that I will fry all the chicken wings to the low fire for about 6 minutes. Means that 3 minutes each sides. So I made a double fry on the chicken wings so it will be crispy and juicy inside. So it will not be saggy when it got cold. Again, this is just a reference of 3 minutes each sides. It may vary, so please, this is just for your reference. We are done now frying all the chicken wings. Now it's about time to do the sauce. So this will give us a more complex taste of our chicken wings. So let's start. Again, for the detailed recipe, I leave it in the description below. Just go and check it and you will see it. The sauce is almost ready now. I'll just add the sesame seed, and this is just an optional if you want to add a sesame seed. You will see it should be the sauce a bit thick. Now what I will do is to add the chicken wings in the pan. Should mix it well. Please note that the fire, the stove is still on, but in a very low fire. You have to mix it well and evenly for all the rest of the chicken wings to make it balanced. Let's start mixing it. And we're done. Yes, all right. I'm so excited. Now let's get a bowl and place this all slowly and gently. Yahoo! See that? That makes me hungry. I want to start to eat now. Of course, for the final touch and presentation, I'm going to add a sesame seed again to make it more inviting, and it's really nice for presentation as well. So let's add the sesame seed. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Clap our hands for it. And I'm done. Yahoo! It's too hot here in the kitchen, you know. So let's eat and enjoy, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video. Please stay tuned on my next video upload. Please stay safe, everyone. Masalama. Peace out. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.